Now, it goes without saying that if you're going to email your list every single day, you are going to have unsubscribes every day. People are going to unsubscribe from your list every day. That's just the way it is. Okay, no matter how much credibility you have or how much you're loved, you're always going to have people that unsubscribe every day from your list, every time you email your list. Okay, so it's important that you have new blood coming into your list on a daily basis. You need fresh leads. Okay, so in this video, I just want to go through a few of the methods I use to get fresh leads. Okay, you could post free or cheap WSOs. WSO stands for Warrior Special Offer, which are special deals you can post on the Warrior Forum. Now, the Warrior Forum, they are always changing the rules, so when you're watching this video, free WSOs may no longer be allowed. So to get around that, you could, just sell cheap WSOs. For example, sell them for $1 just to get leads. And the advantage of selling something is when you get buyers into your list, as a rule of thumb, buyers are worth at least 10 times. I've even heard 20 times, but they're worth at least 10 times more than a freebie seeker. Okay, because they are very responsive and they've proven to you that, hey, look, they are willing to get out their credit card to buy something from you. So buyers are very important to have on your list. Okay, you could have a mix of buyers and freebie seekers. Okay, another method that I use is I buy solo ads. It's where you purchase from another person, another marketer that has an email list. You would purchase basically a service from them where they would email their list about your offer, and you could provide them a swipe as well. And there, you could just Google that to find. You could Google solo ad sellers to find solo ad networks. So one of the ones I use, I believe, is Udemy. Spelled UDIMI, I believe. Okay, there's also Safe Swaps that you can use to build your list. It's where similar to solo ad, but in this case, this is a free traffic method. You're not buying anything or paying anybody anything. You are just agreeing with someone to email the offer, and in exchange they'll email your offer to their list. And there's plenty of networks out there to find Safe Swap partners. You could go in the Warrior Forum. You could also go in the Warrior Forum to buy solo ad vendors, by the way. But you could just do a Google search for Safe Swaps. The network I use, I believe, is safeswaps.com. Safe and then a dash and then swaps.com, I believe. You could just look that up. You could also create your own products and launch them onto JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and any other affiliate networks out there. Because, like I said, it's important to get buyers onto your list. Buyers are worth 10 to 20 times more than freebie seekers. Okay, another method that I use from time to time is Facebook ads. There's plenty of Facebook ad courses out there, and so I recommend you check them out. I'm not going to talk too much about Facebook ads in this course or in this video because I'll admit I am not an expert on Facebook ads. I do use it from time to time, and I have had success with it, but I still need more experience on it before I speak more about Facebook ads. Now, JV giveaway events, that is another free traffic method that I use from time to time. I used it a lot in the beginning, and I still use that from time to time. A JV giveaway event, you could just do a Google search to find them. But JV giveaway events are basically where a group of marketers team up to offer free gifts, and to do your part, you would have to email your list about these free gifts. So they would all go to a landing page, and then they could opt in for their free gifts. So basically, everyone is contributing here to drive traffic to these gifts, and so basically that's a JV giveaway event. Okay, so I hopefully you have enjoyed this course on how to make a living with email marketing.